Hi, so I'm sitting next to the black knight butterfly bush, and you can see some of the blooms have already faded. The blossoms have these dark purple flowers with orange throats and like kind of a darker purple edge. And then here we have some spent ones, and the seed pods are already forming, so that's what you want to get rid of. So just follow the stem to where the spent ones are and cut, leaving the flowers to blossom and the hummingbirds to come and taste their nectar. This one you can see there's just one bunch of flowers left, and these are all dead, so I'm going to cut them all off except for that one. So I'm going to go here and here, leaving that one. And then if you follow the stem, there are some more that are spent. So let's see if I can pinch it off. Nope, it's kind of woody. So I will cut it. Oops. This one is a mix of a couple blooms and mostly spent blooms, so I'll get rid of that one. There's one that's totally spent. We'll just follow the stem. And there's the last one. A bunch of new leaves and little buds, and then you can see leaves that have been eaten by bugs, and you can remove those if you want and leave the new leaves. The difference between the old leaves and the new leaves, you don't have to take them off, but if you do, they easily come off. Look at this one, it's not even a leaf anymore. And you can see where it's going to start budding new leaves for next season. Here's a cute little leaf for next year. And these are hardy in zone... Oh, stink bug. Here's a nice new leaf. These three are spent, so I'm going to cut those off where they meet the new leaf. Here you can see all the seed pods forming, all the green. And that's a dead one, so I'm just going to cut it right there and there to leave this one. Follow the stem. This one is attached to the stem where there's this one that is already spent, and this one that's already spent. But of course I want to keep these flowers here, so I'm going to just cut. I'm just going to cut the two on the outside. Usually the middle one gets spent first, but this time the outside ones, I think it's just because they're lower on the stem. And there's one. And there's a spent one. And there's a big clump of spent ones, but there are these nice leaves here, so I don't know. I guess I'm gonna leave the leaves. Leave the leaves. Okay, bad joke. And then cut off all the spent flowers. Here we have a little bud and a spent flower, so I'm going to follow it. See if I can get in there. Got it. Here's one that's just full of flowers ready to pop open. And you keep doing that until you're left with nothing but a black knight butterfly bush bouquet.